All right, just, I have a little bit of congestion this morning. But anyway, the other day, back here, the oak forest behind me had a message for me, and I'm not sure what it was. It didn't quite come through. So I want to receive it if it's still available to receive. So I'll just be quiet and listen. Actually, what I'm getting from them is an invitation to walk the ring, the trail. It's about a 10-minute trail. Walk it every morning or every day. It could be even twice a day, whichever I wish. But to be able to give myself some really easy contemplation time. Right, like in a nature immersion type of environment. And this is support. This is so, I'm getting really moved by that. They say it also helps them because having the human that is going through the life experience on Earth is really enlivening for them as well. And there's obviously such a symbiotic relationship between us humans and trees that not only do we want to just breathe together from afar, but to be together. So, there you have it. Perhaps that's a message for all of us. Of course, it's ripples through, and just that we find the quiet spots, the quiet pockets, During the pandemic, where people were staying inside so much, although they were also getting outside much more, but I could feel how the trees weren't able to be in communion with us, as it were. They weren't able to actually feel our breath. Of course, the symbiotic exchange, right? Our carbon dioxide. And it was stressful for them. It was disconcerting. They felt, in some ways, they got some reprieve and were able to make some adjustments because they weren't amidst all the stressors that humans subject themselves to, etc., that they create. But the humans, but still, they started to really miss, though, that basic exchange with so many of the humans masking up. That may just be my message for the day. That's so beautiful. I mean, I am really blessed to be here. I do recognize that we have a creek right here and like a little, just a miniature canyon, as it were, because it's just the way the creek runs through it. And then at night, hearing the owls when they do appear, you know, and they're singing up in the trees, it has this grand echo effect. Same thing with the frogs. I mean, the frogs, we do have tree frogs around here too. In Northern California, this part of it, it's like, it's a rare tree frog. But I know that there's also creek frogs, I'm pretty sure. Ground frogs, because they will, they'll use one of our ag water containers as like a breeding ground, even though the creek, there's some slow spots, but you know. Anyway, so there you have it. Thank you, oak forest behind me, my oak tree friends. Thank you for that beautiful invitation and message, and I will take you up on it. I'm very grateful. Oh, and that's it for now. I'm out for now.